welcome to Cooking with Nina. Let's get excited. I'm going to show you something brief, 60 seconds the most. Okay, I'm going to make some fried plantain. But before I do that, I want to show you the difference between plantain and bananas. So if you notice, my banana is nice and yellow my plantain. My plantain is very big, y'all. Look at that. And this is banana. So you're not gonna use banana, you're gonna use sweet plantain, okay? And we're gonna fry it. So I'm gonna take you over here. I'm cutting it. And now this is where you wanna cut it. And I'm gonna show you that I'm gonna fry my plantain now. And this is so good. And you wanna cut it in two, and it's so nice and big. Now I'm gonna slice it. You want to slice it thin, and you want to put it in your oil, okay? You want to have just enough oil. Oh, and you notice it popped. You don't want to burn yourself. You want to be very careful. And sometimes if water drops in your oil, that's what happens. So I'm going to fry a few for you. This way you can see exactly what I am talking about. This is sweet plantain, and now we are actually frying it, okay? You want to let that fry for about a minute on each side, and then you want to flip it over. So now I'm flipping it over. You want to make sure it's brown, but you don't want to burn it, so you can keep flipping it over. And so once again, guys, this is sweet plantain, and when you go to the Caribbean restaurant, you always have a side order of sweet plantain, and this is actually ripe, so it's sweet, okay? You don't have to use the whole one. You can cut it in two because it's so big. Slice it, and you drop it in your frying pan. Some people put it in a deep fryer, but this is perfect. Once again, make sure you hit that bell, guys. That's the fried plantain, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is my fried plantain. And look at those. And this is what you get. Subscribe to Cooking with Nina.